Deep in the rainforests of New Guinea, the superb bird of paradise is an avid performer, captivating not just its female audience but also anyone lucky enough to witness its mesmerizing dance. This bird is famous for its extraordinary courtship display, where the male transforms his back feathers into a striking circular cape while rhythmically dancing to enchant the female. This display isn't just for show, it's an essential part of their mating ritual, ensuring the continuation of the species. Despite their elaborate courtships, this species plays an equally important role in seed dispersal, maintaining the health of the forest flora. Their vibrant displays have inspired a multitude of scientific studies, making them an icon of natural beauty and evolutionary brilliance.